Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you liked my Jaipur part 1 and part 2. So similar to those videos, we are going to make this video as well. So this time not Jaipur. So today we are in Hyderabad and we are going to explore Hyderabad. So let's get into the video without wasting time. Hey guys, so finally we are in auto and I have Agnes. Agnes, say hi. So we both are going today to Charminar and we have taken auto, Ola Auto. So Ola Auto charged us 270 rupees from Lemon Tree, which is in Gachibowli, to Charminar. So let's go to Charminar. Bye. Location, we have reached our location. This is Charminar and we are going to do some street shopping on Charminar, and I will show you Charminar from outside. Charminar is closed due to COVID-19, but their shops are open, so I will show you how their rates are and how you can bargaining. So let's get into the video. So as soon as we enter Charminar streets, the first thing you will see is these beautiful earrings. They are very affordable. Guess the price, it's just 10 rupees guys. So each pair of earrings are just for 10 rupees. So whenever you come, do not miss these earrings. So whenever you come to this place, buy these earrings. They are very beautiful and me and my friend have got almost 6 to 7 pairs. They are very beautiful and you can use it with whatever dress you like. I'm just in love with these earrings. I don't want to go to any other shop. They are really very beautiful guys. Next is the bangle section. Just 400 rupees out here in front of Charminar. So I'm forgetting Charminar's name all the time.
It's okay, it happens.
Oh,
it's very nice.
So in multicolor, you can wear it in whatever color dresses you like. So there are so many collections out here. I'm going to take this from my mom.
Perfect.
These bangles are just for 100 rupees. Any bangle you buy from this collection, you will get for 100 rupees. In Charminar, anywhere in any shop you buy, all the bangles are just for 100 rupees. So whenever you come, do not miss this also. Oh God, nahi, acha nahi.
भैया इधर कोई भी मास्क नहीं, तो क्यों पहनता? कोई मास्क ही नहीं पहन रहा है इधर तो।
कंफर्म कोरोना है ये बोलो
क्या कंफर्म?
कंफर्म कोरोना है बोल के है भरोसा है क्या?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं भैया?
तकरीबन पूरा यहाँ पे तकरीबन बगैर मास्क
इधर
सब लोग बिना मास्क के।
like 90%.
तो इधर से भी आती है।
सही है सर, लेकिन मौत आ रही है उसका पता करने के बाद भी आप अगर बिना मास्क के घूमोगे तो ये क्या मतलब हुआ? शायरी कर रहे हो क्या? आते हैं ना तो कभी भी आती है।
सलमान खान है, सलमान खान।
यहाँ पे सुबह ऐसी बात है, मौत आती है तो किधर भी आती है।
स्पाइडर में।
तो मौत आने का वेट कर रहे हैं मास्क खोल के। सर ये दे दो मुझे, ठीक है मैं गूगल पे कर दूँगी। और कोई है? मेरे पास ये सर ना डोरमैट बेच रहे हैं बहुत सस्ते में। कितने का है सर? 150 का दो।
डिस्काउंट भी दे देगा सर।
हाँ, डिस्काउंट भी दे देंगे, थोड़ा बार्गेनिंग करेंगे तो डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा, है ना सर?
Yes.
Hello. Oh, it's looking so pretty. All good? We can have it? Yes.
So as you can see this beautiful multicolor neck piece, I am really in love with this neck piece. Whenever you come to Charminar, do not forget to explore these beautiful neck pieces which you can wear it with any type of dresses actually. They are just for 100 rupees, very much affordable for everyone. सर
150 to 100.
अच्छा, आप बार्गेनिंग भी करते हो, थोड़ा बहुत डिस्काउंट करोगे? फिक्स रेट है?
बार्गिंग का रेट नहीं बोलते, 500 बोले तो बार्गिंग करेंगे.
ठीक है, हाय बोल दो सर.
हाय. लेना पड़ता तुझे.
अरे वाह,
बार्गिंग करेगा सर.
150 का? ये सारे स्लीपर्स 150 के सर? These beautiful slippers are just for 150 rupees out here.
My leg is like that.
So she's trying some slippers. These are for just 150 rupees.
This is nice.
Oh, it's looking so cool. These are 100. These are for 100 rupees, and these earrings are for 200. For 150, all these beautiful traditional purses out here. So beautiful colors and designs. For people who wear sari, they can just have an
Traditional
accessory.
wear. How to remove this?
So here is India Enterprises. They have all these traditional bags. They have discounts also, like 150 rupees, 200. You get these type of bags and many more. So let's talk with the person who is owning the shop.
Hi, my name is Shankar. We have all the range of bags like party users, for functions, for casual. We have the brand for this high price quality also. You can check on Amazon. The same quality we have with us. We are selling all kind of vanity boxes, and all these kind of things. You can get bangle boxes for party use. You can look inside also. You have many more things. Just have a look. We have the Zardozi items here, and we have this gel leather. We call this one. And we have all these party use, function use for bridal collection also we have. Which you can see over here, the leather bags. Here you can look all fancy that we have, which is collection for marriage purpose. So the 4 and 4 per piece, you can get this very cheap compared to other shops. In my shop, in
So
other
300 rupees
300 for
this.
these, yeah.
Okay.
we have this color collection over here.
Okay, so
They have very good collections for handbags. So if you come to Charminar, do visit their shop. I will be mentioning their address in the description box, so don't forget to check. And can buy whatever products you like with discounted rate, and you can bargain also. They will reduce the amount and give you. Yes, so he's also saying yes, we can bargain. Okay. Okay, so do visit this shop. I will be mentioning the address and the phone number of the shop in my description box. So
तो आपका शॉप यहाँ पे चार मीनार के पास है ना? तो आप क्या क्या देते हैं सर? अच्छा, तो आप रीजनेबल प्राइस में देते हैं आप? ओके। तो आपका शॉप कहाँ पे है सर?
हमारा शॉप सिटी मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स में है। शॉप नेम इज ऑफिस मेटल हाउस।
ऑफिस मेटल हाउस। अच्छा। So we have taken this cute lamp. So I will just show you. Sir, इसको light करके दिखाना please. So he will light.
beautiful. This is, I got this from the shop in a reasonable price, which is just
350 rupees. So in 350 rupees, this is not bad at all. It has a wooden finish at the end and glass finish at the top. And metal. It's a combination of glass, wood and metal. So it's really very beautiful. You guys should come to this shop. Shop location I will be mentioning in my description box.
it's very beautiful. Basically, whenever you come to Charminar, do visit the shop for antique pieces and much more. Shop owner has already spoken to you, so he will give you in a very less price. You can bargain here, and I got a lamp, very beautiful lamp, and this shop address I will be mentioning in my description box, so do check and visit this shop. So finally we reached hotel and we explored Charminar very nicely. We have gone to so many shops and I have showed you how you can bargain with them. And actually you don't have to bargain, actually 100 rupees, 200 rupees, only these things are 150 rupees slippers. They are very good, at least like a month or 2 months you can wear it and throw it out, that's it. And I really liked the neck piece, it was just for 100 rupees. There's no harm in buying all these products, but please do sanitize and wear your mask and go, because out there no one is wearing mask. So please do wear mask and sanitize. Keep sanitizing yourself so that you guys will be safe. And do bargain on shops which are like big shops. You can bargain to them, but not the street shops. They are already giving for 100, 200. So there is no use of bargaining to them. And I hope you like this video. Whatever shops I have gone through, and I will be mentioning their address in my description box. So do check and visit these shops. If you tell my name and go to these shops, you will get 10% discount. So I was very happy when he gave me this deal. So I was very happy for my subscribers. Only for my subscribers it is 10% discount for you guys if you go and mention my name and you have seen this video or this shop in my YouTube channel. They will give 10% discount. So I was very happy to hear this, and for my subscribers. So thank you so much for watching this video and enjoying with me. I really enjoyed doing shopping. I did so many shopping today. Some sweets also I bought. I did not show in the video, but because I was little busy in seeing the sweets. I really love sweets. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do share and comment and let me know what you want me to mention in the video, what type of videos you guys want. So I will be very happy to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Love you all. Bye.